Nip it in the bud.
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 It means to stop a problem early before it gets worse. It's like cutting off a flower bud before it blooms. You deal with an issue at its earliest stage.
I had to nip it in the bud.
Kini nga phrase gikan ni siya sa gardening. Kung putlo nimo ang udlot sa bulak samtang sayo pa, mapugna nimo ang iyang pagtubo. Now this is a metaphor for stopping trouble before it has a chance to blossom.
So the Queen did nip it in the bud pretty quickly.
Parehas ra pud ni siya sa tuliro nimo ang bukog sa bata samtang humok pa. Meaning, disiplinahon nimo ang bata samtang sayo pa or bata pa, kay kung matigulang na dili na nimo madisiplina.
One day more to revolution, we will nip it in the bud.
Example, the teacher noticed cheating starting in class and decided to nip it in the bud.